Hello friend, welcome in the day 8 of the 30 days of code in hackathon. So today we solve the dictionaries and maps problem. So let's get started. So you simply read the task section to understand what is the problem. So I already read the task section. So I simply explain what is the problem by taking the example of sample input. So at first line the 3 that's denoting number of entries in the phone book. So after that you simply take 3 line of input from user. The first part contain the name and the second part contain the phone number, and the phone number is 8 digit phone number. So you simply take 3 entries from user, and after that the unknown number of query given by user. So you take all this query from user, and after taking the queries from user you simply match the query with the name of the phone book. So if the query match with the phone book name, then you simply print the full name and the 8 digit phone number on the output screen. And if the query is not matched with any of the name in the phone book, then you simply print not found on the output screen. So I think you simply understand this very simple problem. If you do not understand, you simply go through the explanation section. So I go to my HackerRank editor and make the font bigger. So for solving this problem, I simply take the C++ program. So here is the comment present. Enter your code here. So I start my code after this comment. So at the first line, we declare an integer type variable which denoting the number of queries, and on the second line we declare 3 variables. One is name for storing the name, and another is the number, and the final one is the key for the queries that given by the user. So after that I simply take user input for the number of entries. So I take the user input. So after that I simply declare a map, because this is the problem of map and dictionary. So I simply create a map, and for declaring map the syntax is map and then string and then string, and you close it and then name it. I name it simply phone book. So after declaring the map you simply make a for loop, and this for loop is iterate n times. So simply int I equal to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. So inside of the for loop you simply take the user input. One is the name and another is the number. So the name and number is taken from user. So after that you simply write this syntax: phone book and name equal to number. So this is the syntax for storing the number in the phone book with the name. So after that you simply make a while loop, and then inside of while loop you simply take the user input, because here the unknown number of queries are given by user. So you do not know how many queries are give the user. So you simply make a while loop, and inside of while loop you simply take the key value. Key means the queries. So inside of while loop you simply write this syntax, which is if phone book and then find, and inside of find you simply give the value key is not equal to the phone book, and then you simply give the function name end, and inside of the if statement you simply cout key and then the equal to sign, and then you simply write phone book and then find, and then inside of find you simply give key. So it's simply denoting the name inside of the phone book. So here you point out the second, and after that you simply write endl. So here the phone book dot find key, it's simply denoting the key which is matched with the name inside of phone book. So if we target the second, then it simply print the number associated with the name. So here the number is printed. So after that you simply make a else statement. Inside of else statement you simply print not and then found. So endl. So that's all friend, the code is done. So I simply check by clicking on the run code button. So it's processing and it shows the sample test case 0 is passed. So I simply press the submit code button and it check all the test cases, and all the test cases are passed. So I think you understand the code, and if you do not understand the code, please comment in the below which part you do not understand. So this is for the day 8. See you in the day 9. Thank you friend.